There might also be a number of socioeconomic factors which contribute to my aggression, such as my being unemployed or economic problems which I am experiencing, and a number of studies suggest that incidents such as these can contribute to aggressive tendencies. I believe that some of my aggressive tendencies might be due to stress. Under stress, we reduce the amount of cortisol which we secrete, and this is involved with increased aggression. Chronic stress, on the other hand, is associated with decreased aggression.
Drugs and alcohol are often involved in many acts of aggression. So perhaps my alcohol addiction or my taking of methamphetamine is influencing my aggressive tendencies. I think some of my aggressive tendencies were caused by my social groups, which looked at other groups and defined them as belonging to the other, and that was different from us. And so our group was more likely to perpetrate acts of violence on the other group. They were different than us.
I think I was perhaps more aggressive because of my exposure to lead in paint and also in the leaded gasoline, which was banned in the 1970s. Many nations still use lead in their gasoline, and lead as a neurotoxin might be a role in increasing aggressive tendencies.
I know that studies have shown that the relationship between aggression in TV, in movies, and in music and video games is complex and does not have the same effects in all individuals. However, I think I may be one of those individuals where exposure to violence in movies and video games has desensitized me to violence and increased my level of aggressive thoughts, my anger, and my aggressive tendencies.
In many mammals, I have noticed that fighting goes up during mating season. And I have noticed that testosterone in me changes. It was higher in puberty than before or after. And it is higher at certain times of the year, such as late summer or early autumn. It is higher in the morning. It is affected by my social status in my peer group. It is influenced by the sports that I play or by the job that I do. And so therefore I think a number of these activities may influence my hormone production and maybe my aggressive tendencies.
My increased aggression linked to lower brain cholesterol may not be because of a cholesterol pump after all, but maybe because of this low cholesterol diet that I was experimenting with to help combat heart disease. I think I notice some change in aggressive tendencies based on my diet. When I was put on a tryptophan-free diet, that increased my irritability, which then receded when I took tryptophan supplements. Also, I seem to notice that low blood sugar increases my irritability, and that my inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids in my diet might decrease aggression.